Good afternoon, everyone. So today I want to talk about drawing tools. So in our last sessions we have discussed about primary setting of AutoCAD. So today we will look into the drawing tools. In drawing tools, we have 4 topics, which is draw, modify, annotation, layers, block, properties, and group. So under that, today I want to talk till number 3, draw, modify, and annotations. So under draw, we have a line, polyline, circle, arc, and edge. And modify, under modify, trim, extend, and yeah. So after opening of AutoCAD, we will see the draw, modify, annotation. So today I want to talk on these 3 topics as I said earlier: draw, modify, and annotations. So rest will be uploaded in next session. So draw. Under draw, we have many tools like line, polyline, circle, arc, and edge. So let's go more. So first, line. We have to click on left click on a line. So like before we start of drawing, we should know the primary setting more. So we can revise what we have learned earlier. So UN enter, which is drawing units. First we have to set drawing units before drawing. We'll see the line type and angle type. So for that we take decimal, and precisions we take 0, and decimal degree 0. So we want to keep clockwise unchecked, and as I have taken decimal, so it's mm la mo. So next we have to check in direction this thing. Okay. Now we have set drawing units. So next, limit, mi, li, mi, enter. So we will see the specify lower left corner. So we have to take 0, 0, 0, enter. As I want to take A4 size paper, so 210, 297, enter. So we have set our drawing limits. So now grid, GRID, more grid, enter FG. So we will find many options. So first we click on the limits, then no Beuchi, we will see the drawing areas. So now we can start more drawing tools. First, under draw we have line, polyline, circle, arc, and edge. So left click, and after clicking, if we kept in ortho, then we can see the straight line more. So if you uncheck the ortho, then we can draw anywhere any direction. So 20 mm 20 mm, we take 20 mm square box, 20 20 20 20 20. Now it's polyline more. Now it's polyline. Now let's check the polyline. So I want to talk difference between line and polyline. Polyline, 20, enter, 20, enter, 20, enter, 20, enter. No. See the difference if we draw in line, so we will get only the single selected more. So in Polyline the line are connected, so we can select in once la. So it's benefit when we find the square meter or square feet of a building plan. During that time we used to draw a polyline on the building plan, and we copy same like I have shown in the videos. Select, then copy, like that we have to take. So during that time we can get our square, our area drawing area ani bi thupso. So in line we have to select individual mol the polyline bewachin sachibu. Now circle select p and beauty. So diameter we have to choose the diameter 20 bewachi 20. Dipchi enter bewachi and everything 10 bewachi 10 and everything. Now arc in arc we have many arc tools. Now the many benefits they have many benefits. For example, if you draw window gimola, if you draw a window, so during that time arc is very much important. So during that time we usually draw arc mula the analunga 2 point p join bini. So during that time first point 2 point 3 points mi. So ane trim beauty ngachi window yani arc the zoom na ngachi benefit e tubula. So now ngachi nanla h bini la tubula h the gadi bini mo h enter. To h we have shortcut h enter and beauty ngachi everything. We can take any type ga dip ga pattern barutu analu. If it's a bricks, then we have to select the bricks, and we watching concrete, keep watching concrete anyway. So we have if it's not visible by watching, we can check reduce or increase our scale anyway YouTube dang achigi draw gi base ai mula draw gi ane me. So now modify la, we have completed draw. So now it's modify. So in modify there is trim, extend, move, mirror, scale, offset. The ane bodalu ngachigi trim the anidi will show example anidi ngachigi move pinigi me anyway phatsu move pinigi select beauty yani select beauty mo left click be and select be go chugatu. So ani move pinila. So for extend and trim we watching achi so first thing achi do extend the trim gi begamo. So for extend the trim I will show the drawing same like I have drawn in a window mola window ki drawing be midi. So ana look gade beong la watching trim bi gade beong la arc use be mola. It's same like a revising. I'm revising to you again to bula to ane bodulu ngachi ane arc gi drawing be 0.1 0.2 0.3 anyway again so 0.1 0.2 0.3. So for this trim mula trim trim anla and trim the ipchi first we have to select la and select beauty right click tele left click beauty ngachi gane di diretanela anyway trim to trim the extend. If you know the trim and extend, then we can save our drawing time save beong ngachi the drawing yang ngachi appropriate bed jitsu to bola. Look this shade there we shouldn't we no need to erase our ngani bi bol erase our drawing again and again if we know the trim and extent. So the next thing achigi ane bela extend to bol hanalu select piuchi left click tira ane be jong extend di. So now ngachi the offset la offset di tu bol offset the gadi bini mola wajin hanalu select pe kamchi bani 100 bawachi 110 bawachi 10 mol 20 bawachi 20 ane be jong la offset the ane be imigol and this the it's a very important tools we should know during our drawings la. So now mirror remove now it's mirror. So for mirror we have to first ngachi di ani gachlo reference line zoom chiko. We have to keep draw one reference line, then select which one you want to mirror la. Select the draw, then ngachigi MI nila. We should enter MI or MIRR more and enter betanila. So enter buching ngachigi reference na click. We have to click on the reference line la. Reference na click buchi ane betanila. Ngachigi ane buchi. So we will mirror ki page mola ni page. So now next the annotation mola annotation be watching dimension me first we want to talk on the dimension. So dimension tele ngachigi anevela dimension pitching ngachigi text and this table this the anebi zone nani di remove kila dachigi h ki me andi. So now and the scale gi tu bola scale gila scale gamchi bomb zunimo chungu zunimo gamchina zunimo and scale gi s enter ipching achi scale short form of scale is s. So after that annotation mola. So annotation bodulu dimension first we have to go for dimension and click be enable. So if it's not visible then we should modify begola. So in order to modify we have to click D enter la. So modify na jo. So for if the symbol and arrow is not visible then we should increase our scale. We should increase our height and text ki height and this gara increase betani enable. The precision be watching 0 na zotani enable. The set current benila and be it's a big dream. So little bit ngachi we should decrease la. It's so that it will be some convenient mola jigs thoni dinle analu be arrow ding achigi 1 nacha anivena degrees beni mola 5 na be analu okay benila. So set the current okay aneve tt be mola aneve zotanila. So the next thing achigi table immola. The table di gadi bizuni mola wachin anebe table di analu ngachi gamchi row gonna gamchi column gonna anebi dubol ani di okay ipchi sugat theula table gi achi gamchi row gonna gamchi column gonna we have to input our value la. So now it's table anebi immola table zooming gola ngachi tu gola lalu ki table zo be it's wastage of time la. Dhyan bodulu ngachi table zo chi dile ane binila. The the layer block property and group di ngachi next session now we'll discuss on the next session. So thank you so much. That's great.